Are you wondering how to remove the Capcut watermark that appears in this corner of your entire video? That is irritating. It is so annoying, but no worries, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove that watermark free of charge without paying any dime to Capcut or any person. All right, let's dive into the video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to be my channel, my name is Ben, and on this channel I create videos about tools, tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel for success. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, or you want to learn how to edit, you want to improve your editing skills, consider subscribing this channel. Subscribe right now and don't forget to smash that like button right away. I made a video like this before, and according to the comments that I received, a lot of people were appreciating, and it literally helped a lot. So I decided to make another tutorial about this particular watermark. And this tutorial is different from the previous one, because in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to remove this watermark like a pro editor. No one will realize that you edited your videos from Capcut. Okay, so Capcut introduced this watermark to promote their product, and YouTube is against watermarks. Now, if you continue uploading videos with watermarks, your channel may get issues in the future. YouTube is literally against watermarks, is strongly against watermarks. So you have to prevent it by learning how to remove these watermarks from your videos. Stop uploading videos on YouTube that contains watermarks. All right, without wasting a lot of time, let's go into the tutorial. I'm going to show you two different methods on how to remove this watermark like a pro, and after these two methods, you will be able to remove this watermark from your videos, and no one will realize that you have used Capcut to edit your videos. Now I'm going to show you one by one, and let's begin with the first method. Now the first method, you have to make sure that you're done editing your videos. What I mean is, you're done with color grading, you're done with everything about editing your video, and your video is ready to be exported. Now what you do after editing your video, you literally export it with this watermark, as we're going to do it right away. And now once your video is done exporting, you minimize CapCut. And now you head to InShot. And if you don't have InShot on your mobile phone, what you have to do, you can literally download it from App Store or Google Play Store. Now once you open InShot, this is how it looks like. What you do, you go direct to videos, where you see videos, and you tap on new right here, and then you open the video that you exported from CapCut, and then you open it as a project right here. It also has a watermark, but you don't need to worry about this watermark, because this watermark has a free removal option, and this is how you remove it. Now you just tap on this watermark right here, and then there is this option, free remove, and then you tap on it, and this is what will come next. It will load and remove this watermark automatically. Now as you see, the watermark is removed, but when you play this video, you literally see that it has a CapCut watermark up here. Now what you have to do with this watermark in our first method of removing it, you tap on text here, and then you add a text. Okay, for example, you can use a text of your YouTube channel name, like my channel name, Ben Did It. Okay, so I just type in Ben Did It, and after tapping in Ben Did It, then this is what I'm going to do next. I drag this channel name of mine from the beginning up to the end, as you see right there. After dragging it from the beginning up to the end, I'll resize it. Okay, just follow these steps of resizing it. Then you resize it to 6. You make sure that it is at 6, where you see 6 right there, and then you tap here to save the size of the caption or the size of your channel name. After that, you drag this channel name to cover this watermark, as you see me doing it right now. Okay, you just drag it to make sure that it covers this watermark. And this is our first method. You have to wait for the second method, because it is the best method. Okay, so you just make sure that this watermark is well covered. You have to make sure that it is well covered with your channel name. All right, now as you see right there, the watermark is well covered. And now this is the most important part about this method that you have to also mark. It is the coloring of that channel name, okay? You have to make sure that you use the colors in your video, okay? All right, let me show you. You just tap on label here. Then after tapping on label, then you choose this first part here, the first part, so that you use the colors in the video. Now you use the colors of your background to make sure that the background matches. As you see in my face, it is brown, then this cloth is kind of cream, okay, my cloth. Then when I change to the wall of my background, you see that the label or the background of my channel name is changing to the color of my wall, okay? Do you realize that here it is brown, here it is kind of black, and then when I put on my laptop screen it is blue, okay? It keeps on changing. So you have to make sure that you put in the color of the background so that the label of your channel name looks the same with the background of your video, okay? You can keep on moving around the background so that you make sure it looks exactly as the background of your video. Now, when I play this video, you will not realize that there is a watermark, there is a Capcut watermark in this video. And this is very helpful because it also helps you to mark your videos. It kind of helps you to actually brand your content. Now, as you see, the watermark cannot be shown from the beginning up to the end of this video. Let's wait it to play up to the end. Okay, now you can see that it doesn't show. Now after that, after doing that, you can now export your video by just tapping on export here, and then you upload your video to YouTube. That is the first method. Wait for the second method as well. Now, before you continue, as usual, I always give random shoutouts to my subscribers. So shout out to FireTech and Vlogs. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and always commenting. All right, so if you want to get a shout out in my next video, just subscribe right now, turn on notifications, and don't forget to like this video. All right, let's continue. Now, the second method, after editing your videos, as we did in the first method, you export it as well, and then you minimize CapCut as we did in the first method. Then you go to InShot, okay? Now, when you go to InShot, you do as we did in the first method. You open the video that you exported from CapCut as we did in the first method, and you remove this InShot watermark as we did in the first method, okay? Now, as you see, the InShot watermark has been removed. So we want to remove the Capcut watermark. Now, this time around, we're not going to put a channel name or anything on that watermark. What we are going to do, it is tapping on the video to highlight it, and then we expand this video, okay? As you see me doing it right here. Now, with this method, you have to make sure that when you're recording your videos, you are actually in a distance. You don't need to be closer to the camera, okay, if you want to use this method. But if you do things like vlogs or skits, I prefer the first method because for it, it is convenient. Now, after dragging it like the way you see it right here, when I play my video, you don't see any watermark. Now, from here, you literally export your video and you upload it on YouTube without a CapCut watermark. These two methods are awesome. You can choose one that is best for you. All right, if this video is helpful, consider liking it. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. You can check this video that teaches how to enhance your audio if you want to sound like the way you hear me sounding right now. Whether you use your smartphone to record your videos or whatever you use to record your videos, you can enhance your audio without using pro microphones, without buying expensive stuff. And you can also check this playlist that teaches how to edit everything about editing. I dare you, you'll find a video in this playlist that will help you to improve your editing skills. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.